Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about fruits and vegetables. Fruits. Orange. This is an orange. It's round in shape, it's orange in color when it is ripe, and green when it is raw. Some oranges are easier to eat because their skin is loose. It has slices inside, which we can eat. It's juicy. Banana. It's a banana. It's a sweet yellow fleshy fruit when it is ripe. It has an amazing smooth yellow skin. The skin can easily be removed by pulling it off part by part. Apple. This is an apple. It's a smooth, shiny, round fruit with top and bottom pushed in. It has a few seeds in the middle. Peach. A peach is a juicy, hairy fruit which feels very nice to touch. It's juicy and fleshy inside. You can eat the skin and seeds though. Grapes. They are grown bushes. You can eat more than one at a time. Some has small seeds in the middle and some are seedless. Mango. Mango. It's yummy. When it's raw, it's green, and when it's ripe, it changes to yellow and gold. It has yellow flesh inside and a big hard seed, which is thrown away with the skin. Pear. It's a crunchy fruit to eat with the skin. It has some seeds inside of that. Avocado. The avocado is a pear-shaped fruit which is green when it is raw and almost black when it is dry. Under the skin is soft and fleshy, like butter. It has a big seed in the middle of that like a mango, which has to be thrown away. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a round, thick-skinned fruit containing a mass of red seeds and a lot of juice. Plum. It's a small round fruit with a thin, smooth red, purple, or yellow skin. It's sweet. Cherry. It's sweet. It has a small seed in the middle. Lemon. It's a round and yellow fruit. It's green when it is raw and it's yellow when it is ripe. Lime. A round sour fruit containing a lot of juice that is like a lemon but smaller and green. Watermelon. It's grown on the ground and has beautiful skin with a thick white layer. If you cut it, you can see a red crunchy juicy part with black seeds inside which can be eaten. Strawberry. It's red when it's ripe and has small tiny seeds inside which also can be eaten. Pineapple. A large tropical fruit with a rough orange or brown skin and pointed leaves on top. Blueberry, a dark blue fruit of bush that is grown in North America. Vegetables. Carrots. They have a fabulous orange color with a green on top. Carrots grow below the ground, so wash the carrot really well before you eat it. It also cleans your teeth when you eat it. A long, thin, pale green vegetable with dark green skin, usually eaten uncooked in salads. Lettuce. It can be eaten raw in a sandwich, but be sure to wash it really well because you see it grows on the ground. Potato. It has a brown skin which is peeled off. Onion. Onions make you cry when you cut them. Are normally white in colors. It has many layers that can be peeled off. Tomato. A delicious red vegetable. It is round and a bit like an apple, but the taste is completely different. You can eat it in your sandwich. Brinjal. In some countries it is called eggplant. It can be eaten raw. You need to cook it. Green peppers. It is not eaten raw by itself, so put it in the salad. Beans are long and thin and green. Beans grown above the ground, so you need to wash them very well. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a large round vegetable with hard yellow or orange flesh. Spinach. A vegetable with white dark green leaves that are eaten cooked or uncooked.